You guys remember Daddy Waffle Drone? I haven't heard from him in like 2 fucking years, maybe a year and a half. The last time I heard from him, he commented on my live stream on April 30th, 2020, when I was inside the Michigan Capitol live streaming with my Patriots. Daddy Waffle Drone. He made a video just now called Raging Rob Really Sucks. I'll post a link in the description below. I guess he's triggered about something. He has kids. And I hope he's not putting muzzles on them. Hey, Daddy Waffle Drone. Did you vote for this guy right here? Did you vote for this guy right here? China Biden? Do you have to wear a mask? I'm not wearing one because fuck you, that's why. Hi, Daddy Waffle Drone. Hi, Daddy Waffle Drone. Matt Gruber, whatever his name, I don't know, Matt something.